In this video, we will learn how to build a QR code generating app using ChatGPT with Python and TKinter. First, go to ChatGPT and then type. Write a code for QR code generator using Python and TKinter. Take URL from the user as input and create a QR code and display it in GUI using TKinter. As you can see, ChatGPT is now generating Python code for our QR code app. Now our code is ready, and ChatGPT is explaining the code. Let's copy this code, paste it into the qrcode.py file, and save it. Let's run our script using the command python qrcode.py. You will get an error saying, you don't have QR code installed on your computer. In my case, I have already installed it. You can install QR code using the command pip install QR code, which will be installed in a few seconds. Well, this is what our app looks like. Let's try generating some QR codes. Let's type any URL like google.com and click the button to generate the QR code. Now let's try generating the QR code for YouTube, and you can see it generated the QR code for YouTube. Finally, let's generate QR code for my YouTube channel, GP Tech, and boom, it did generate the QR code for my YouTube channel. That's it. As you can see, our app is working fine, and we build this using ChatGPT in less than a minute. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.